Hey everybody, King Piers, Jim King out here with our King Piers team. I've got the mask on because the gnats are so bad here. I don't know why. We're in a beautiful part of Mission, Kansas, but as I was shooting my first video, gnats are flying in my mouth and choking me. So here we go. 7 King Piers total. We got 4 on the outside, starting about right here, down to the corner. 3 on the other side, stone foundation. Right here, we're gonna give him a 7-foot by 20-foot front porch extension. Stay tuned for that. This is day 1. So yeah, 7 King Piers front porch extension. We'll be wrapping this up by the end of the week. King Piers, Mission, Kansas, for all your foundation repair needs. Call me, 816-521-8915, or you can go to my website, kingpiers.com. Thank you.